friends, I am Vaibhav sir. Today we are going to learn 1.3 on Wings of Courage. Arjan Singh joined the Royal Air Force College, Cornwall at the age of 19 and graduated in 1939. He joined the number 1 Squadron IAF and served in the Northwest Frontier Province. In World War II, he commanded the squadron during the Arakan campaign. He was the first and only officer of the Indian Air Force to be promoted to 5-star rank as a Marshal of the Indian Air Force, equal to the Army rank of Field Marshal. On 7 June 1966, with the retirement of General Jayanto Nath Chaudhary, Singh took over as the chairman of the Chiefs of Staff Committee, a post he held until he retired. In 1971, after his retirement, Singh was appointed India's ambassador to Switzerland. He was also appointed as a Lieutenant Governor of Delhi by the President of India. Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. The only officer to attain the highest post of Marshal, the Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal. Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. He played a major role in transforming the Indian Air Force into the most potent air forces globally and the 4th biggest in the world. Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Sam Mankesha and K.M. Kariappa were the only 2 army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. Singh had assiduously led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. Commanding his role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan, the then Defense Minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjan Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable but a very able leader. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign. He retired from service in 1969. Singh was born on April 15, 1999 in Lalpur, now Faisalabad, Pakistan, and completed his education at Montgomery, now Sahiwal, Pakistan. After a brief stint with newly formed No. 2 RIAF Squadron, where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces, later he was promoted to the rank of Squadron Leader in 1944. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC in 1944. After his promotion, the rank of Wing Commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed as the AOC in seat of an operational command. Towards the end of the 1962 war, he was appointed as the Deputy Chief of the Air Staff, and he became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff in 1963. On August 1, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force Arjan Singh took over reins of IAF at a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up to meet new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CAS rank. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam, with an armored thrust targeted at the vital town of Akhnur, Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination and professional skill. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of the Air Force's contribution during the war, the rank of the CAS was upgraded and Arjan Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF, visiting forwarded bases and units and flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of the armed forces through the year, the government conferred the rank of the Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjan Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with the Indian Air Force. Arjan Singh, the man who was awarded as the only man standing out in Indian Air Force with the baton of Marshal from Air Chief Marshal, is not just a man who can combat, but Singh is much more than that. Singh's war tactics during World War II with British Indian Air Force is agreed to make it inside the big league during British Raj over India. Courage over cowardice and patience during times of strife made him distinct man in every domain of his character. Arjan Singh's upbringing can obviously be taken into account for his tremendous willpower to join Air Force and fly high to the skies. This legendary man passed away on 16 September 2017 at New Delhi. Nation will never forget this iconic air warrior.